Hello everyone, welcome to Heavy Crypto, and in this video I'm going to show you the latest arbitrage opportunity that you can take right now, and also I'm going to show you tricks and ways of how you can actually spot these arbitrage opportunities. And most importantly, at the end of this video I'm going to show you my secret, a secret that I've been doing and how exactly I made 2 bitcoins using this secret. So without any further ado, let's get right into it.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
Alright, so guys, this crypto arbitrage opportunity is available on Bybit. So this arbitrage opportunity, we're gonna be making money using Bybit crypto exchange. And if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can go ahead and create an account using my link in the description below, and you're gonna get a bonus of 3,000 US dollars only for experienced traders if you want to trade futures trading. Alright, so you're just gonna go ahead to CoinGecko right now. Okay, and the arbitrage opportunity that I'm going to take is called GMT. All right, so if I go on GMT right now, this is GMT. All right, or others can call it step in and stuff like that, and 1 GMT will cost you 0.69 cents. All right, this is the current price of GMT right now. Okay, so if I go ahead and click right here where it's written price, you can see that the highest price of GMT is 0.71 USDC from Bybit. Alright, meaning that you can buy from any of these exchanges at lower price and sell to Bybit at higher price, and you're gonna sell it at 0.71 USDC. Alright, so this arbitrage opportunity that you can take right now. So it's very simple. All you need to do is to go ahead to where it's written price right here and filter this, and it's gonna show you all the exchanges that GMT is being sold at a lower price. Okay, so you can see that on this crypto exchange called Letoken, GMT is being sold at 0.65 USDT right now. All right, but if I scroll down, you can see that on OKX GMT is being sold at 0.68 USDC. Alright, so you're going to be buying from OKX and sell it to Bybit at 0.71 at higher price, and you're going to be making passive income. And I'm going to show you network that you should use, because a lot of people are facing these challenges when it comes to network and stuff like that. Okay, so this is a trick that I wanted to show you, and this trick is going to help you to identify more crypto arbitrage opportunities. It's not only about GMT. You can look for all other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Solana, and stuff like that. All right, let's go to Litecoin right now and apply the same strategy and see if we can make money by using this. All right, and this trick also work on coin market cap, and you can try it right there. Okay, so just gonna go ahead to where it's written markets right here. All right, and filter this from highest to the lowest. All right, so you're just gonna go ahead to where it's written price right here. If you're using a mobile phone, you're gonna see somewhere else where it's written price, and you're just gonna go ahead and click right there, and it's gonna filter all the prices. All right, so you're just gonna go ahead and click right here, and it's gonna show you all the exchanges that are selling Litecoin from the highest price to the lowest price. All right, so you can see that right here we have XMO, and we had some problem with XMO right now because of the stable coin. So I'm not recommending you to go ahead and use XMO right now. Okay, but you can try out to use LBank. LBank is legit exchange. You can see that their trust score is actually green right here, and they have liquidity and stuff like that. So LBank is legit exchange. Okay, and you can see that on LBank, Litecoin is being sold at 60 US dollars right now. And if I go ahead and click right here, you can see that the lowest exchange can be Mix Global, and you're gonna be buying against BTC. Okay, so you can use this if you have some Bitcoin in your wallet, and you can buy some Litecoin with your BTC. Okay, not USDC or USD. All right, and you can also use this exchange called BTCX. This crypto exchange is also legit. I've tried it multiple times, and I've made a lot of money with this crypto exchange as well. All right, so in this video I wanted to show you this trick that you can use to identify crypto arbitrage opportunities, and it works for me, and I hope it's gonna work for you. And don't forget to join my Telegram group. The link is gonna be in the description below, because that's where the source is happening. Okay, so going back to our main purpose of this video, which is GMT right now, I'm just going to show you how exactly you can deposit and withdraw this crypto asset. All right, so you can see that there is pretty much arbitrage opportunity right here, and this is going to help you to make a lot of money. And after that, you can actually buy within Bybit crypto exchange, buy GMT right there using USDT, and sell to USDC and make passive income simply by doing that. And that one we'll call it crypto triangular arbitrage. All right, because you're gonna buy GMT using USDT and sell it to USDC and make reasonable amounts. All right, so that one we're gonna call it triangular crypto arbitrage. And after selling to USDC, you can decide whether you send that USDC to another crypto exchange. It can be Bybit, it can be Binance or any other crypto exchange that you are willing to send to. And from right there, you can buy again GMT from Binance at lower price again, and sell it. And send it to Bybit and sell it there at higher price again. And in this case, you're gonna be making profits after profits. Okay, so this whole thing is called crypto arbitrage. All right, so let's go ahead to Bybit crypto exchange. And right now, if you go to Bybit right now and click to where it's written deposit right here, okay, and you're just gonna go ahead and click right here and search for GMT. This arbitrage opportunity that I'm doing right now as I'm recording this video. All right, so just gonna go ahead to a certain coin right there and search GMT, and it's gonna show you this specific crypto asset. All right, and just gonna go ahead and click right there, and right here is gonna ask you to choose chain type. All right, and this is most important because chain type matters a lot when it comes to crypto arbitrage. You don't want to spend a lot of money on fees. All right, I've noticed that many people don't pay attention to chain type, and it's not good, guys. You need to pay attention to this. It's very, very, very important. Okay, so you're just gonna go ahead and choose chain type. But unfortunately, all these two chains are very, very cheap when it comes to transaction fees. If you choose BEP20, is very, very cheap. You can pay less than $1, right? And if you choose Solana for Solana chain right here, is also very, very cheap. You'll pay less than $1. All right, so the only chain that I don't recommend people to use is Ethereum chain. Ethereum chain is very expensive because of gas fee and stuff like that, so do not use Ethereum chain. Only use BEP20 and Solana chain right here. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and copy this address and send GMT using this address. All right, and you're gonna receive your coins on Bybit, and from there you're gonna sell these coins to USDC at higher price, and that's how exactly you're gonna make passive income. All right, and after selling to USDC, you can decide whether you spend those USDC from Bybit again, or you wanna send it to another crypto exchange using or send to another crypto exchange. It can be Binance and can be Hotbit and stuff like that. Okay, and after you send that USDC to another crypto exchange, you can buy GMT again from that exchange. And in this case, we notice that GMT is actually cheap on OKX. OKX is the legit exchange. I've traded it multiple times. All right, it's legit exchange. You can see trust score right here is actually 10 out of 10. So you don't have to worry about OKX. It's actually fast crypto exchange I ever traded. All right, so we have no problem with OKX. But right now, let me introduce you to amazing news that I prepared for each and every one of you. And right now, I want to announce Heavy Crypto Indicator. And yes, guys, I've been using this indicator for more than 3 years right now, and I've been making a lot of money with this indicator. Okay, right here you can see that this indicator tells you when is good time to sell and when is good time to buy. All right, as you can see right now, this indicator has been working perfectly, and it works perfectly. It's not like all other nonsense indicators that you see out there. Heavy Crypto Indicator, I'm testifying today that this crypto indicator is amazing and has done a lot of great jobs to me. All right, you can see this 3% I made recently by following the signals of this indicator. All right, So it has been working perfectly to me, and right now I'm announcing this indicator to each and every one of you, and I'll leave the link of this indicator in the description below. And once you click that link in the description, you'll just sign up using your email and your name right here and your email right here, and it's only gonna cost you $100, and you're gonna use this indicator forever. Okay, it's once off payment. And for example, right here you can see that this indicator has this line right here in the middle. Okay, when the price is below this line, it means that the price is in a bearish trend, and when the price is above this line right here, it means that the price is in a bullish trend. And moreover, guys, you can see that this indicator has different colors within candlesticks. All right, this yellow color means that the price might change in the nearest future. As you can see right here, you can see that the price was actually consolidating right here, and it pumped a little bit up in a green zone right here, meaning that it might go in a bearish trend. Okay, and you can see that candle started changing colors right here to yellow right here, and the price changed into bearish trend right here. So this indicator tells you a lot when it comes to trading, and you can use this indicator in futures trading, because this indicator combines both momentum based indicator and all other trading indicators, and this one summarizes everything and give you perfect entries and exits. All right, so you can use it on derivatives trading and leverage trading as well. Okay, or even spot trading, because all you're gonna do is you're gonna buy when it says buy, all right, at lower price, and then you're gonna sell when it says sell at higher price. And this is how exactly you're gonna be making passive income. All right, so I made it simple to each and every one of you, and I hope you're gonna take advantage of this crypto indicator. And moreover, you're gonna join my VIP group. That's where you're gonna be able to talk to me directly, and that group is called VIP. On that group, I'll be posting my setup trade ideas and almost everything I'm doing when it comes to trading. All right, you're gonna be trading with me, copying my ideas, and be able to ask me any question you want to. You're gonna have my number so that you can talk to me directly. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the link to this indicator in the description below, and once you join my VIP group and have this indicator on TradingView, you're gonna become one of my students. All right, I managed to get at least 2 bitcoins using this indicator and all other bunch of strategies that I have as a day trader. All right, so this is it for today's video. I just wanted to introduce you to this big news that this heavy crypto indicator is going to change your life forever, and change your trading career forever, just like what happened to me. And I'm here to testify about this heavy crypto indicator. All right, so this is it for today's video. Therefore, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace, my friends.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take